of English composition. Hope you have done the homework. Yes? So let's go ahead. Today the topic of our discussion is notice writing. In this lesson, we will learn all about what is notice writing, its format, key points with example. Notice is a written or a printed piece of information targeted for a specific group of people. It usually covers an event, an inauguration, a function, or general instruction. Things to be kept in mind while writing a notice. The word limit is 50. It has to be presented in a proper format. Try to write notice in indirect speech or passive voice only. Don't use personal pronouns like I and we. Format of a notice. Firstly, draw a rectangular box. Write the name of the organization in the middle of the box. Write the word notice below the name of the organization. Leave one line space. Then in the left hand side, write the date in which the notice is issued. Again, leave one line space. Then below in the middle, write the title or headline of the notice. Again, one line space. Below it, the body. After the completion of the body of the notice, leave 2 to 3 line space. Then signature, name, designation of underlined authority. What should be written in the body of the notice? Remember to write 5 W's while writing a notice. What are 5 W's? What is the notice about? Who it is addressed to? Where is the event? When is the event going to happen? What to do? The instructions written related to the notice. Whom to contact or get in touch with. You are Kiran or Dhruv, the Cultural Secretary of St. Elizabeth School, Anjar. You have been asked to inform students of class 9 to 12 about an inter-school dramatics competition. Draft a notice for the students' notice board with all necessary details. Keeping all this in mind, I have prepared a notice for you. First of all, draw a rectangular box. Then in the middle of the box, write the name of the organization, that is St. Elizabeth School. Below that, write the word notice in capital. In left hand side, write the date. Then, leaving one line, write the title in the middle, that is opportunity for budding actors. Below that, leaving one space, write the body of the notice, that is an inter-school dramatics competition will be held on 30/7/2020 at Town Hall, Anjar. An audition will be held to select students for the school team. Date, place and the reason have to be written in capital letters so that the viewers can get the correct information. After the completion of the notice, all other credentials have to be written in bullet points. Date, time, venue, eligibility, etc. Below that, leaving a space, signature, name and the designation have to be mentioned. It is written in bullet points so that the information is clear to the viewers. Question for homework. Question number 2. You are the head boy or head girl of the school. Prepare a notice for poster making competition. The topic is Save the Girl Child campaign. Hope you have understood about notice writing. Please do the homework. I'll be back again with another topic on English composition. Take care, keep learning. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.